Hello guys, this is War again. Today I'm going to show you uh, how you set up the tablet mode. Windows 7 came up with two options. You'll be able to set up a tablet mode or a desktop mode. The difference is tablet mode you'll be able to use like a touch screen. On a desktop mode, you'll be able to use your mouse, and I think that's a difference in between. Uh, Last year, end of the last year, I was working with a company. They are using a tablet. So in tablet mode, you can go to the meeting. So you can use as a desktop when you and your a workplace. If you go to the meeting, you can switch to be a tablet mode. So you're going to use a tablet as a tablet mode. You'll be able to use as a touch screen, and that's differences. So to set it up, tablet mode, and so there's two options actually. So there's a tablet mode and then the desktop mode, and you can turn it off or you can leave it to turn it automatically to turn on. There's four options when you are using. So those options is on what they call it operation system Windows 10 actually. So if you're using a desktop, you can switch it to be. So I'm going to show you how that works. So so there's you can set it up on setting, or you can see here on the right side. So as you can see here, if you click, it turns it to be in. Right now I'm in the tablet mode. So if you click on the right side, that's where you can turn it on or you can turn it off. So if I click, so if you can see right here, it say turn it off now. So if I click on, the desktop is going to disappear. As you can see here, the desktop mode is off, and you can see here I'm in the desktop mode right now. So that's another option. So another option is going to the setting. So if you're in the setting here, you click on system. Under the system here, you see the tablet mode. And this is where it's saying, so you can choose the mode for hardware. So as you can see here, you can choose the tablet mode, as you can see here. And you can set it up to ask you when it turn it off or turn it on, as you see this option. Do not ask me. Or you can leave it say ask me before you switch. That's another option. Right here, as you can see here, you can high up. So if I turn it off, it's going to hide it. If you can see here, I can turn this off. I can turn it on and I can turn it off. And you can see description here saying the tablet mode optimize your device for the touch, so you do not have to be. So this is how you can use it when you don't have a keyboard. So you'll be able to see it and use it as a touch screen. So this is how I just want to show you how you turn it off and turn it on. And you can see here those four options. It give you a description, and if you want help, if you have a question, take you to this place to where you can talk and see what question you have. As you can see here, you know, activate Windows 10 and all these questions. But this is how you turn it off and on using setting, or you can use it just here from here. You can see here tablet mode. So I think that's all we have for today. This is how you turn it off and how you turn it on. Thank you.